Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. I hope you all had a great fall break, and I hope you're ready to get started for the second half of the semester to go very quickly. So just continue doing what you're doing. I think in our sections, I've got two sections of this class, and both have like a 96 average for the class. So that's phenomenal, guys. Keep up that great work. So this week we're looking at body image and body weight, and it's funny, and it's not no coincidence that they have this chapter follow chapter 6. I had so many questions regarding like the physical fitness and physical activity component and how that contributes to losing weight and body composition. And so this actually the book follows right up with that, and it's a natural progression. And so with body image and body weight, this chapter tells you ways that one, obesity affects our country, and it affects us in so many ways. It identifies factors that contribute to obesity, and it also gives you solutions for monitoring and taking care of your body composition. And by that we mean making sure you have more lean tissue than fatty tissue. And so really the key here, and there's no magic trick, there's no magic diet, it all comes down to energy balance or a caloric expenditure. Those two kind of really mean the same things. And so in short there, and really take this with you and hold on to it, if you take in more calories than you burn, you're going to gain weight. If you burn more calories than you take in, you're going to lose weight. And then if there's a balance there, that energy balance, then you're just going to maintain. Okay, but that's kind of a steady rule of thumb. One thing the book doesn't necessarily go into, but I want you to be mindful of, we talk a lot about calories, and really weight gain is all about calories and weight loss is all about calories burnt. But also be mindful of the type of calories you're putting in, because a lot of us can consume foods and beverages that are high in calories but offer no nutritional value, and so that really makes a big difference also. So you want to have take in foods and beverages that are high in nutritious value, as well as being mindful of the calories. So I kind of stumbled through that there, but I think you get the point. So guys, this week is no different than we've had in the past. Like I said, it's pretty routine at this point. You've got this video, another video presented by ABC that come with a text, the PowerPoint, your lab, the quiz, and the checklist. Guys, as always, I'm here for you if you have any questions. Let's have a great week.